Good morning to all. I am Vidushi from class 9th and I have prepared all these paintings for the science art competition that is for national level, which is organized by MIT University Gwalior, and it is organized in our school Blooming Birds Yon Academy, Manpuri. So let us see how are these paintings, description, how are these expressions. So this one is the first painting which I like personally very much. So this painting is about the night view. It is showing the rainy season in which a girl is walking with an umbrella, and the water is split out on the road, and very winds are very blowing very fast. So you can see her dress and her hair are flowing in the air. This is the village view. Here you can see huts and the tree, or these are the rivers, this is the bridge, and here are the gardens or the forest, etc. So this is also a nature painting. This is also the same painting, but in this painting the reflection of the tree is coming. So this is the beauty of this painting. Next is also the night view of the scenery, in which moon is coming, moonlight is coming, and these trees, beautiful trees, cherry blossoms are coming, and this is the mountain region, and from here the river is coming down and flowing as the falls and going again into the river. This is also the seashore painting. It is showing the the seas and the mountains present here and the beach over there. It is also reflecting in the sea. This is also the night view of the painting, in which cherry blossoms are present, moonlight, some birds and trees are present, and here water is present, in which water we can see the image of the moon reflecting in the water. This is also the same painting, and this is the forest view, and you can see the reflection in the water. So it is very realistic painting, you can observe it. Next is a message giving painting, which is also, we can say, it is a spiritual painting. This is painting about Dronacharya and Arjun. So Dronacharya is teaching Arjun how to shoot the bow, and he is just concentrating on the eye of the bird. So this is the message giving painting. This is the forest view, in which you can see yellow, red, orange leaves, and this is the forest view. These paintings are for the mothers. Here is the child sitting, baby girl is sitting on her mother's knees, and mother is playing with her. This painting is also showing the love of the mother with her children. So here you can see two girls are, one is reading the book and other is in the mother's hand. You can see here a very beautiful topic written here, Meri Ma. So this is the description of this painting. Next is, this is also the mother's love painting. Here baby is crying for mother's love and mother is giving her love. Now here this is a painting for Radha and Krishna. This is also the spiritual painting. You can add this painting in the Madhubani art. Next, this painting is about the yoga, in which a person is sitting and reflection is coming down, and it is showing the International Yoga Day, or we have to do yoga every day for our fit and healthy body. This painting I have tried to make the Mona Lisa, and you decide is it looking like that or not. So this is made by me, just try. This painting is about the farms, about the rice or wheat farms. Here the farmer, who is a lady, is carrying the husk of the wheat on her head and carrying out the harvested crop. This is the painting about Mother Earth. We have to save our earth. It is showing greenery. It is showing beautiful earth in her hands, which is she is carrying the earth in her hands, and all the flowers are beautifully adjusted in this. And you can also see here the clouds, here the water drops. In her lips, very beautiful water color drops are present. Here you can see The ornaments are made up of flowers. As you can see here, the necklace or on the head, the beautiful flowers are engaged. So these paintings are made by me. So if you like it, then please think about it, how this painting looks. Thanks my school Brewing Buds Zion Academy Manpuri and Amity University Gwalior to give me a chance, to give me an opportunity to show my talent in front of all of you. Thanks to all.